Hi Mom, I just want to wish you a happy Mother's Day. We're making a special video for you, kind of themed around the Sound of Music. And the Sound of Music came out right when Julie was born, so when you were a young mom in your 20s, and that's where I guess you started singing songs to us like doe, a deer, a female deer, and I'm going to sing that here in just a second. But also, I bought this special shirt for you. The technology just never stops progressing, and this is a shirt where you can actually buy it, and it shows the movie A Sound of Music while you walk around in it. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. And right now I just want to go ahead and sing a song that you taught me when I was probably 2 or 3 or 4 years old. And it goes like this. Doe, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun, me, the name I call myself, far, a long, long way to run.
Shaking.
So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread.
Tea. Tea.
And that takes us back to do, 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 do. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Bothers me and I'm feeling unhappy, I just try and think of nice things.
Do you know what I do when I get frustrated? I think of happy thoughts, like raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, polished files and gross feet with rashes, clippings that fly off and get in my lashes, pillows and cases and sewing machines. These are a few of my favorite things.
Girls in old dresses with wigs, gloves and big hats, boys in their war games and sliding on bed mats, pillows and cases and sewing machines. These are a few of my favorite things. When the phone rings, it's the towers, and I'm feeling bad. I simply remember my favorite things.
And then I go call your dad. Don!
Sip you dog, sippy yay. A wonderful day. Hey, yes, I ain't my way. Sip you dog, sippy yay. Mess river on my shoulder. It's a tooth. Hey, see that moving. Every national. Happy Mother's Day.
Do you know what I do when I get frustrated?
Sorry.
Do you know what I do when I get discouraged? I think of happy thoughts, like rainbows on kittens.
Say Happy Mother's Day, Great Grandma Apple.
Happy Mother's Day. I got make apple.